What is the difference between a high-performance sports car and a customizable, heavy-duty truck? They both get you where you need to go, but they're built for completely different journeys. That's the perfect analogy for today's financial heavyweights, Relay Bank versus Stripe Treasury. If you're running a business, you need to know which one is the right engine for your financial operations. For a lot of small to medium businesses, the traditional bank account is just a headache of fees and rigid structures. That's where digital solutions like Relay step in, offering a modern alternative that simplifies your daily finances. Relay is essentially a high-powered, fee-free business checking platform. Its killer feature? The ability to create up to 20 separate checking accounts, all with no monthly fees and no minimum balances. This is a game changer for businesses that follow budgeting methods like Profit First, letting you instantly allocate funds for taxes, payroll, and operating expenses. They offer up to 50 virtual and physical debit cards, great for team expense management and easy integration with your accounting software like QuickBooks. Relay is focused on simplifying your company's own banking and money management. But what if you're not just managing your company's cash, but you're building a whole platform? Think marketplaces, e-commerce builders, or freelance platforms. That's where Stripe Treasury, now often called Stripe Financial Accounts, rolls in. Stripe Treasury isn't a bank account for you, the business owner, it's the financial infrastructure you use to become a financial service for your customers. It's a full suite of APIs that allows platforms to embed financial services directly into their product. Imagine your users getting their own accounts, holding funds, and even earning rewards, all without leaving your platform. Stripe handles the heavy lifting of bank negotiations, compliance, and regulatory requirements, essentially turning you into a fintech without needing a massive development team. So, the choice is clear based on your mission. If you're a small to medium-sized business looking for a powerful, flexible, and affordable way to manage your own company's cash, budgets, and team spending, Relay is your streamlined solution. But if you're building a platform, marketplace, or software service and want to embed financial accounts, payments, and cards for your customers, Stripe Treasury gives you the deep, technical foundation to do just that. Two powerful tools, but one is a business bank for you, and the other is an infrastructure platform for your customers. Choose the one that accelerates your goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.